Welcome to Brewfix. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast, a barista, or a technician, this channel is your go-to guide for espresso machine repairs, maintenance, and expert tips. I document every repair and share professional insights to keep your machines running like new, covering everything from descaling tubes and boilers to internal and external cleaning, OEM part replacements, and troubleshooting issues that affect coffee taste. In today's video, we're diving into a little-known secret, the hidden valve inside your espresso machine that most people don't even know exists, yet it plays a critical role in the quality of your espresso shots and the longevity of your machine. Inside nearly every espresso machine, there's a small valve that many users overlook, yet it's crucial to the machine's operation. This hidden component controls water flow, pressure, and timing in ways that directly affect how your coffee is extracted. While other parts like boilers, portafilters, and pumps are obvious, this valve is subtle but essential. It ensures consistent shot quality, prevents damage to internal components, and maintains the correct pressure that creates that perfect crema on your espresso. Machines with a misaligned or partially blocked valve often produce weak, inconsistent shots, even if all other aspects of the machine are in perfect condition. Understanding this valve is the first step toward mastering your espresso machine and improving every cup you pull. Most espresso machine users, from hobbyists to seasoned home baristas, never even hear about this valve. It's tucked away inside the group head assembly or near the pump system, hidden from casual view and rarely mentioned in manuals. Even those who maintain their machines diligently often focus on the more visible components and completely ignore this tiny, yet impactful part. This oversight leads to common problems like leaks, inconsistent pressure, poor crema, and uneven extraction, which many assume are caused by other, more obvious issues. By recognizing the valve and understanding its function, you gain access to a secret that separates amateur espresso makers from those who consistently achieve professional quality shots. The hidden valve isn't just a technical component, it directly affects the taste and quality of your coffee. It regulates the flow and pressure of water through the coffee puck, which in turn influences extraction rate, aroma, and crema density. If the valve is clogged, misaligned, or worn, water may flow too quickly, leaving the coffee under-extracted, or too slowly, creating bitterness and over-extraction. Moreover, improper valve performance can put additional strain on the pump, which risks damage over time and leads to expensive repairs. By learning how to monitor and adjust this valve, you can maintain consistent pressure, ensure even extraction, and ultimately pull espresso shots that rival your favorite cafe. Finding this hidden valve requires careful attention, but is simpler than it sounds. First, always turn off and depressurize your machine for safety. Then, remove the necessary covers to access the pump and boiler connections. The valve typically appears as a small cylindrical component, often with a spring mechanism, and may be partially obscured by tubing or brackets. Inspect it for debris, mineral buildup, or misalignment, all of which can restrict water flow. Cleaning and maintaining the valve is a small investment of time that pays huge dividends in espresso quality and machine longevity. With regular inspection, this valve becomes a reliable ally in producing consistent, cafe-level espresso every time. Once located, the valve can often be gently adjusted or cleaned to restore proper flow and pressure. Using the correct tools and following manufacturer guidelines, you can fine-tune the valve to optimize water pressure, flow rate, and extraction consistency, drastically improving shot quality and extending the life of your espresso machine. Pair this adjustment with regular maintenance routines, such as descaling, tube cleaning, and replacing OEM parts when necessary, and you're ensuring your machine operates at peak performance. Even minor neglect can affect taste and mechanical reliability. But with the right knowledge, you can prevent common issues, save money, and enjoy consistently perfect espresso without unnecessary breakdowns or frustration. That's the secret of the hidden valve in your espresso machine. A small but critical component that can completely change your coffee experience. At Brewfix, we specialize in showing coffee enthusiasts, baristas, and technicians exactly how to keep their machines running like new. From in-depth repair tutorials and maintenance guides to step-by-step troubleshooting, I share everything from descaling tubes and boilers to internal cleaning, OEM part replacement, and taste optimization tips. You'll also find resources to take your skills further, including guides and courses like the Coffee Technician's Business Blueprint, From Rust to Riches Refurbishing Guide, Ultimate Coffee Grinder Repair Manual, and Espresso Repair Master Checklist, designed to help you diagnose, repair, and maintain any espresso machine like a pro. With Brewfix, you'll gain the tools, knowledge, and confidence to fix issues quickly, keep your coffee tasting amazing, and enjoy machines that last for years.